What's up, mechanical engineers? In this video, we will explain how to get a mechanical design engineer's job. Hello and welcome to Royal Mechanical. But first, let me introduce you to Mr. Prasanna, the head of engineering and CEO at Maxpertise Technology Labs. He has over 20 years of experience working in the mechanical engineering domain for India's top engineering services companies. Hello, sir, welcome to Royal Mechanical. Please tell us how mechanical engineers can get a mechanical design engineer's job.
Hi Diwa. A big hi to all viewers of Royal Mechanical. I will explain how mechanical engineers can get a mechanical design engineer job. But before that, let me explain the top 10 essential skills mechanical engineers should master to become mechanical design engineers. The first essential skill mechanical engineers should master is technical proficiency. Mechanical engineers should be proficient in subjects like the strength of materials, engineering mechanics, machine design, machine drawing, material science, and manufacturing technology.
Sir, mechanical engineers have already studied these subjects during engineering. Why and how are they important?
Yes, you are right. But engineers need to become proficient. For example, engineering mechanics and the strength of materials are essential in mechanical product design to analyze and optimize the strength of products under various forces. Machine design is necessary to design elements of functional products. For example, proficiency in machine drawing is essential for creating manufacturing drawings. Practical knowledge of materials and manufacturing processes is crucial for mechanical design engineers to design products that can be manufactured. Let me tell you, the list of topics is not extensive, but a mechanical engineer should be proficient in at least these subjects to start with. Technical proficiency enables mechanical engineers to design functional and manufacturable products. The second essential skill mechanical engineers should master is CAD, computer-aided design. A mechanical engineer should be proficient in at least one CAD software's part design, sheet metal design, assembly design, and drafting modules.
Sir, mechanical engineers also learn CAD in their colleges as part of their academics.
Yes, Diwa, you are right. Mechanical engineers should be highly proficient in not just creating designs and drawings. They should also be skilled in modifying designs and drawings. The third essential skill mechanical engineers should master is GD&T, geometric dimensioning, and tolerancing. I am sure all mechanical engineers are aware of the 14 GD&T symbols. There are many benefits of GD&T in mechanical product design. One of the top benefits is interchangeability. Interchangeability is the replacement of parts. Let's imagine you want to replace the wheel of your car or bike. It's effortless to replace. This interchangeability is possible with the implementation of GD&T in designs. The fourth essential skill mechanical engineers should master is materials and manufacturing process. I am sure all mechanical engineers are aware of materials and manufacturing processes. Manufacturing is the transformation of raw material into the finished product. Let's take an example of a washer. A mechanical engineer can design the washer using CAD software. But eventually, the washer has to be manufactured from raw materials and manufacturing processes. Hence, the knowledge of materials and manufacturing processes is crucial to becoming a mechanical design engineer. Mechanical systems integration is the fifth essential skill mechanical engineers should master. Again, let's take the example of the car. The car has many systems: electrical systems, power transmission, chassis, engine, interior, exterior, and many other systems. Only when all these systems get integrated we have a functional car. Hence, mechanical design engineers should master systems integration. The sixth essential skill mechanical engineers should master is DFMA, design for manufacturing and assembly. The simplest example is the sheet metal bracket. The sheet metal bracket on the left side is a bad design, and the one on the right is a good design. Designs that can't be manufactured or that are impossible to manufacture will create unnecessary delays in manufacturing. However, with the effective implementation of DFMA principles, the products can be manufactured and launched quickly to market. The seventh essential skill mechanical engineers should master is the knowledge of codes, standards, and regulations. The internationally accepted standard for GD&T is ASME Y14.5. Mechanical engineers should learn to apply GD&T as per ASME Y 14.5. In addition, ISO 9001 is an international standard specifying an organization's quality management system requirements. Mechanical engineers should also know this standard. I am giving only 2 examples. Mechanical engineers should know all the codes, standards, and regulations specific to their industry. Implementing codes, standards, and regulations in designs will ensure customer satisfaction due to improved product quality and benefit the company for which mechanical engineers work. Effective communication and collaboration are the 8th essential skills mechanical engineers should master. I am sure each mechanical engineer knows the importance of effective communication and collaboration. Hundreds of engineers must communicate and collaborate effectively to design and develop products like cars and aircraft. Mechanical design engineers in an organization will have to communicate with customers, colleagues, supervisors, and other departments like sales, marketing, manufacturing, procurement, and support functions like HR, admin, IT, and finance. Effective communication and collaboration are critical for teamwork. Creativity, innovation, and problem-solving are the 9th essential skills mechanical engineers should master. Let's take the example of Maruti Swift, one of the most popular cars from Maruti Suzuki, India. On the left-hand side, you can see the old Maruti Swift. On the right-hand side, you see the new Maruti Swift. As you observe, the new Maruti Swift has stunning looks. The designers have been highly creative in designing such cars. But, at the same time, when the design gets complex, there could be problems related to manufacturing these difficult parts. So, with creativity and innovation, mechanical engineers can design excellent products. But, at the same time, they should be capable of resolving any problems. Continuous learning and adaptability are the 10th essential skills mechanical engineers should master. The essential skills we discussed up until now can get career success for mechanical engineers. Still, to sustain success, mechanical engineers should continuously learn. They should upgrade their skills and knowledge, stay relevant, and achieve tremendous career success. So these were the 10 essential skills every mechanical engineer should master to become a mechanical design engineer.
Thanks, sir. Please tell us how to get a mechanical design engineer's job.
Sure, Diwa. I will explain a step-by-step process to getting a mechanical design engineer's job in 24 weeks.
Sir, 24 weeks is 6 months. That's a long time to get a job.
No, 6 months is short if a mechanical engineer lacks skills. But suppose a mechanical engineer has mastered the essential skills required to be a design engineer. In that case, they can get a job in no time. Target 24 is a skill development program to provide mechanical engineers with relevant technical skills and experience to become mechanical design engineers in 24 weeks. Before I explain Target 24, let's recap who gets the job. First, let me tell you a mechanical engineer with relevant skills, experience, and good communication skills will always get jobs. To summarize, a competent mechanical engineer always gets jobs. The question is how mechanical engineers can acquire relevant skills, experience, and good communication skills. As I mentioned earlier, Target 24 is a skill development program to provide skills and experience to mechanical engineers. Converse 24 is a skill development program for mechanical engineers to improve their communication skills.
These skill development training, Target 24 and Converse 24, will be available on our YouTube channel and website Royal Mechanical. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing so that you get notified whenever we upload a video.
Now let me explain Target 24, the step-by-step guide to providing relevant skills and experience to mechanical engineers. In Phase 1, mechanical engineers will learn about the industry. In this phase, we will find answers to questions like, where can mechanical engineers find jobs? What is the manufacturing industry? How are cars made? What is meant by Tier 1, Tier 2, and Tier 3 companies? What is OEM? What is the engineering services industry? And many more other questions. In the second phase, mechanical engineers will practice CAD. They will learn how to create parts, assemblies, and manufacturing drawings of real-life products. In addition to CAD, mechanical engineers will learn the manufacturing process to manufacture these real-life products. They will also identify the design for manufacturing concepts. This phase is not just about learning CAD commands. Mechanical engineers will learn to design with CAD in 2 months. The third phase is to create product and tooling designs with the application of GD&T. This phase is project-oriented. Mechanical engineers will design 2 to 3 products and 2 to 3 tooling. In addition to designing products and tooling, mechanical engineers will learn to create manufacturing drawings, project reports, and presentations in 2 months. As a result, mechanical engineers gain experience in working on real-time projects. In the last phase, mechanical engineers will learn to prepare an effective resume, cover letter, and also prepare for job interviews. A resume and cover letter are documents that get a job interview call, and interviews are gateways for jobs. So preparing for a job interview is critical in getting jobs. In addition, mechanical engineers will have to prepare for technical and general interview questions. Then mechanical engineers will learn to create profiles on several job portals. Then search and apply for relevant jobs by customizing resumes and cover letters. Then attend and succeed in the job interview. I anticipate this phase will get over in 2 months. Overall, 6 months of skill development for mechanical engineers focusing on understanding the industry, CAD, manufacturing processes, DFMA, GD&T, product design, tooling design, resume, cover letter, and interview preparation.
Sir, this is a comprehensive approach to getting jobs. How about Converse 24?
Like Target 24, Converse 24 is a 24-week skill development program for mechanical engineers to improve their communication skills. Converse 24 has monthly themes. First month, mechanical engineers will practice formal and informal conversations in the office with colleagues, supervisors, and other department colleagues like HR, admin, etc. Mechanical engineers will practice business-related conversations in the second month, especially with the sales and marketing teams. In the third month, mechanical engineers will practice conversations related to project initiation, planning, scheduling, monitoring, controlling, and closing projects. In the fourth month, mechanical engineers will practice conversations with customers. Mechanical engineers will practice conversations with suppliers and partners in the fifth month. In the sixth month, mechanical engineers will practice conversations related to job interviews, not only attending the job interviews but also conducting job interviews. Overall, in 6 months, mechanical engineers will practice every business-related conversation.
Sir, is this training in business English?
Not exactly. Converse 24 trains mechanical engineers in simple English conversations in a business environment. I am confident mechanical engineers can get good jobs once trained as per Target 24 and Converse 24.
Thanks, sir. I observed both Target 24 and Converse 24 offer career success skills for mechanical engineers. We will continue this series on our YouTube channel and website, Royal Mechanical. In our next video, we will understand the industry. We will find answers to questions like, where can mechanical engineers find jobs? What is the manufacturing industry? How are cars made? What is meant by Tier 1, Tier 2, and Tier 3 companies? What is OEM? What is the engineering services industry? And many more other questions. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks.